Now you're ready to dance. Okay, thank you. And if you get 10 dances correctly, you will get 10 stars. Okay. Wait, not yet. You need to practice dancing first. Oh, I forgot that. Sorry. It's fine. Now go practice dancing. Oh, wait. Again, not yet. I will put the recording right here. No, I will put the recording. If you say so. Now, let me put the recording. Right. Now, let's sing. Oh no! I think I'm sick. Oh, go to the doctors if you want. There's a doctor right here in the dance. Yeah.